My name is Angel Rojas, and I'm the founder and CEO of DataCorps Technology Solutions. My journey to starting DataCorps began back in college during a web design class. We were asked to design a website as a project, and I chose to just create an entire company, register a domain, and make it all official. And so my final project was actually hosted on a website where everybody was turning in discs with their website on it. A few years later, I decided to go ahead and incorporate DataCorps in September of 2003. The other part of the story is that back in 2001, I was praying and asking God to show me, give me a vision of what you want me to do. And so God very clearly said, I want you to graduate college in 2003, then I want you to buy a house, then you're going to start a business, and then you're going to get married. And I said, okay, you're going to have to clear a lot in order for me to be able to do that. And sure enough, in 2003, back in April, I signed a contract on a house. I graduated college in May, closed on a house in July, started DataCorps in September, and I ended up getting married the next year in May. So it all happened within about a 1-year time frame. The services DataCorps provides are basic IT department services for small businesses. So when I started DataCorps, I saw what we were doing for my end users at the company I was working at, and I wanted to provide that same level of support. So part of what I did was sit at their side and help them at the side of their desk. I also would consult with the owners of the company and give them my thoughts on technology as it related to their strategy. I would help them to budget and make decisions about their technology. I would help with onboarding employees and helping them get productive up and running. So this is essentially what we do with our clients today, is give them that level of service that they would expect if they had their own IT department.
Well, what's interesting is that DataCorps people are always researching, and they're continually improving. They are a learning organization, which we are as well. And so I think the ability to look ahead, especially in the technical area, to make sure that you're combating threats that are on their way is very important. And that's one of the reasons why I believe DataCorps is very valuable.
Our mission at DataCorps is very simple. We honor God, we protect data, and we're awesome. 3 things every one of our employees know how to do. Small businesses today need a company like DataCorps because they face threats that are changing and evolving every single day. Those threats come from many directions, and part of what we do is to keep an eye on those threats. So our job here at DataCorps is to keep them informed about how they can protect their businesses, and then keep an eye on their technology for them and be proactive about mitigating those threats.
Choosing an IT company is so important because, particularly for my business, we have a lot of protected health information, we have asset information, social security numbers, dates of birth, all the very delicate information that's so highly protected under government laws, rules, and regs, and it's super important that that is secure. And so not only do you have, I need my system to work, but I need to make sure nobody else can get to it, and they go above and beyond to make sure that happens.
When a client chooses DataCorps, they're not getting just an IT company, they're getting a full-on partner. We become invested in their success. I'm looking for clients that are growing, that want to grow, and that want to thrive, because I want to help them thrive. When they grow, we grow.
DataCorps has taken things to a new level. From everything from our network structure, security. On a day-to-day basis, the biggest difference is that they keep us up and running. They find problems before we even know about them. Sometimes I come to work and there'll be a DataCorps tech at my door waiting to fix something that they learned went down overnight.
When we begin a relationship with the client, it's very important for me to understand what's important to them, what matters to them, because I want to build a deeper relationship. When you hire an IT company, you are giving massive amounts of access into your life, into your company, into the inner workings of your business, where you feed your family and where you're investing for your future. You're giving it to a stranger. So I don't take that lightly. I want to earn my client's trust. So that is why I like to develop a deeper relationship, so that when we sit down at the table and we talk, even if it's a difficult thing, we know that there are no ulterior motives. everybody at the table knows that we have to walk away with a mutual win, and that it's got to work for everybody, and that everybody's going to feel good about the solution, and everybody's going to go and execute as we said. So that is why having a strong relationship with my clients is critically important and a key to the success that we've had.